Going. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a turtle shell from Mario. So, to start off with our turtle shell, we're going to begin right around here on our paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a small U shape like this. Then I'm going to draw another U shape around it, but when I do this, I want this U shape to be a little bit closer to this side and a little bit farther away from this side. So when I draw this, I'm going to draw my U shape, and I'm going to leave it a little bit bigger on this side. Now, we're going to draw the rim of the turtle shell. So starting right here on this line that I just drew, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and goes down around here and then kind of curves back like this. Then, starting right here, starting right over here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves around and then follows the same pattern that I just drew, and I'm going to connect it to a point right there. Next, starting up here, I'm going to draw the top of the shell. So I'm going to start it here, and I want it to end over here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make it nice and tall, and then I just want to make sure that it ends right there. Now, right here, there's going to be another little U shape for another hole. So starting right here, actually go a little bit closer, I'm just going to draw another U shape, just like this. Now, I want to draw the bottom of the shell. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves down and then comes back up like this. Next, I'm going to connect these little lines up here. And then right here, I'm going to draw a little curved line, just kind of showing that it looks a little bit three-dimensional. Now, we want to put a couple lines on the bottom of the shell. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves around and then comes up to here. Then I'm going to draw another line that curves around and comes up to here. Now, one of the last steps is we want to draw the pattern on the turtle shell. So, starting up here at the top, I'm going to draw a line that kind of comes down like this. Then it's going to curve a little bit and go over. And then I'm going to curve it off towards the top there. Then I'm going to draw a line coming down here and a line coming down here. And then I'm just going to draw two triangles like this. And there you go. There is your drawing of a turtle shell from Mario. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.